look at this, guys. So you can see with just $30 we are counting over $200 profits. Right? So trading boom and crash is not just about having indicators, right? It's about knowing what to do. So if you want to learn, you want to know how to make good profits on boom and crash, whether you want to scalp boom and crash or you want to catch spikes on boom and crash, just make sure that you watch this video to the very end to learn how to do that. In this video, I'll show you guys how to catch spikes and all that. So just smash the like button, subscribe, and sit back, watch, and learn. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your mentor, the Major. So I just opened a few positions there on Crash 300. I'm buying Crash 300, okay, and my confirmation is just I'm using price action to trade this Crash 300, okay. I'm not using any indicator at all, completely just Crash 300. The only indicator I'm using here is the MA 200, okay. You can see here we have MA 200. The period is 200, shift is 0, smoothed, applied to weighted close, and yeah, that's all right. So the only work of this MA is to let me know the trend, right? The market trend, if it's an uptrend or if it's a downtrend. All right. In case for those that doesn't know how to use MA to determine the market's trend, I'll tell you guys. Okay, I'll inform you guys, let you guys know how to use MA to know what trend you are, if you're in a downtrend or in an uptrend. Okay, so I can see here where we opened our position, our entry here. This is our entry right here. So I'm expecting market to break this zone. Once this level is broken, at least the first target should be somewhere here, and the second target is where we have this MA right here. Okay, so let's just hope it breaks that point and keep going up, right? And hello guys, if you are new on this channel, you're watching my video for the first time, or you've never subscribed, please I need your assistance. Okay, I need your assistance as well. Just subscribe to the channel. Okay, drop some good comments, right? Drop some good comments and share this video with your friends, with any group that you are. You can share this video, the link. Okay, check the description area also to join the Telegram channel. Okay, and we did some stuff. This is my Telegram channel. So this is my Telegram channel. All right, we did some, like you see, it's very informative, very educative. If you join the free Telegram channel alone, it's very educative, and we work every day. All right, and as we speak, we have discounts for mentorship. It's just $60, and it comes with mentorship. Sorry, it comes with VIP signal. Okay, so if you join, you benefit, right? So we offer mentorship. We provide high quality signals, 2 to 5 high quality signals every day. Accounts management as well. Manage accounts. Okay, so if you want someone to manage your accounts, maybe you're working, you're not free, so you can just chat me up. Check the description area of this video to message me. I have my link, my WhatsApp link there, and my Telegram link. Okay, right. So free classes is coming up by next month. We'll be doing the free classes every month. So if you want to join, if you want to learn how to analyze the financial markets, just send me a DM. Okay, I'll share a link, a group where you will join, so that once we start the class by next month, you'll be able to to join us and learn, right? So mentorship, I love saying this. Before I go on with this video, I love saying this. If you are into this business, into forex trading, without having the right knowledge, okay, trust me, it will take you a while. It will take you a while, and at some point you might give up and stop trading completely, because the experience that you get from this market, if you don't know what you're doing, right, you will regret it. So it's not just about coming here and start adding indicators. You buy and sell and things, or you need, just like every other business, you need to know how it works, how forex works, right? So you need that knowledge, right? So for you to be successful here, you need to learn price action. Price action is not just indicator strategy. I mean, price action, you need to know where the market is actually going. Like what I'm doing now, I didn't use any indicator to confirm. All right, I just know that markets will be going up from here to at least this point. All right, at least to this point. So that's why I opened the position. Even when it was spiking, I wasn't afraid. You can see I'm going against the spike with almighty crash 300, right? So yeah. So now, for those that want to know how to use your MA to know where, if it's an uptrend or downtrend, all right. So the first thing you need to do when you move to 4 hours time frame, you look at your 4 hours time frame. If you have the MA below the current price, that means that you are in an uptrend. The pressure will be going up, and you'll be seeing a lot of rejections, like what we have here. You can see market rejecting, rejecting, because this is an uptrend, right? Then even if you go to, yeah, even if you go to your 1 hour chart, this is my 1 hour chart. If I zoom out like this, you realize that we are still in an uptrend because the MA is quite below the current price, right? Then even if on the 30 minutes time frame, it's still the same thing. So with this, you know that more of the pressure will be going up, right? So that's a confirmation that market is actually going up. And another thing you need to consider, the another thing you need to put into consideration will be where is the current price now. So I'll tell you guys the reason why I took this trade. If you check on the 4 hours time frame, you realize that market reversed somewhere here. You can see that rejection, where we have that rejection, where we have where we have in this rejection. Market rejected this zone. You can see the pressure. That means that this is just pressure by pressure around that zone, right? And this is an uptrend. Okay, this is an uptrend. And even if on the daily time frame you realize that market was going up before, it drops back to this point, and this is our support zone, right? A support zone where I identify on the daily time frame. So I waited for market to hit that zone again, which is here, this red line down here. So market hits that line and started reversing, rejecting. After the rejection, I entered, opened that position, and we are running good profits, massive profits. So you can see I didn't use any indicator apart from the MA to just confirm the direction of the market. Sorry, yeah, if it is an uptrend or downtrend, right? So that was the only confirmation. But every other stuff I used is just price action. So now the first thing is we have a support here. Market dropped to the support. All right, I waited for the market to push again away from the support, rejected. Then I realized that there's something like a zone here, this second line that I have here, where market bounced off from. So market started bouncing off on this line. That's how I realized that, around this red line, that's how I realized that this is a zone. All right, so market couldn't break this level. I had to open a position at that point, and it's running good profits, right? And I've given this signal to my VIP guys. If I show you the VIP platform, this is my VIP. All right, this is my VIP platform. You know, before I drop my signal, I need to notify everybody here that I'm about to drop my signal, right? And so that everybody they'll be ready, right, for my signal. Then I drop the signal. Stay close, guys. Then buy, crash 300, apply proper risk management. I gave them the stop loss, and TP is coming, right? So this is how we trade. This is how we trade. Okay, so now my targets here is market needs to get to this point. Might get to this point at first before, if I thought it's gonna drop it, but market's definitely gonna get to this point, right? So even if it spikes, I'm not afraid because I'm seeing markets pushing up to this point. So this is the beauty of price action. Indicator can never tell you this, but price action can tell you exactly where the market is heading, where the market is actually going. So with the help of price action, you're a good trader. Trust me, you're successful already. So you just need to learn price action. Look for someone that can teach you, a good mentor that can teach you price action. You must not learn from me, but make sure that you learn price action, because that's the only way if you want to be successful. If you think I'm lying, just check online if there's any successful trader that makes use of just indicators. They're all price action traders. So if you want to be successful, you need to learn price action. All right. So you can see this my group, this my platform, this the new guys here, my new students. All right, we interact every day. I share analysis. We talked about everything. We talk about everything here on this platform, right? I also have other platforms like that where we interact with all the students. Okay, so if you want to be a member, just send me a DM. Check the description area. Send me a DM. Let's work together. Okay. Yeah. So my target is up here, like I said, and that'll be all for now, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, hit the notification button so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to watch and learn and make money with it. Thanks.